What's up, everyone? It's your girl Nicole.Young, and I'm back, and it's 2020. What's up, guys? I'm so excited about what this new year brings for all of us. I feel really hopeful and really in high spirits. I spent a few weeks off so that I could really gain clarity about what I wanted to do this year and about, what kind of habits I'm gonna focus on, what goals I wanna focus on, and just mentally preparing for some things that are coming up that I'm really excited about, which I will get into in just a little bit in this video. But in general, so excited to be here, so excited to move forward with this community this year. So today I'm going to share all of my top goals for this year in all categories. I'm going to share my main focus and my mission for content this year, and I am also going to be sharing a big life update that I have not yet shared with my YouTube community. All right, so let's get right into it. Okay, so starting off with my goals. This year, most of my main focus for this year is to be more present and to be more focused on the things that I am doing and on building habits that are going to help me to achieve my dream life, essentially. Over the last year, I feel like it was really easy to get distracted by all that was going on, and I really forgot why I started in the beginning creating content, starting freelancing business, and freedom was always the goal, but you get caught in the weeds, and I kind of got lost in the processes of things. So just taking things step by step, being more present in the moment, and slowing down a little bit. Those are some personal goals that I have, so that it will make it a little easier for me to build the habits that I need to support the kind of life that I want to live ultimately. So for this brand, for Nicole.Young, I have a lot of goals that I'm really excited about. Number one is I am working on launching a website and blog, to be determined when I will actually drop it. I'm just waiting for the right time to do that, but when I do, you guys will be the first to know. My biggest goal for Nicole.Young this year, for all of the content that I create, all of the videos I put out, everything that I share with this community, my biggest goal this year is to help 500 people get their start in tech or coding this year. So that's a big number, but I definitely think it's possible. I have a lot of content in store for you all that should help those of you who want to get into tech or want to get started coding. It should be huge help for you, so be on the lookout for that because it's dropping sooner than you think. So this year on this channel, you can expect a lot more content from me. My goal is to start getting on track for posting 3 days a week. So Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday will be the days that I post. The next goal that I have is to be more consistent, and that is just across the board. So be more consistent with the habits that I'm building for myself. So, my physical and mental health and well-being, prioritizing self-care, the habits that I've put into place in my routine to make sure that I'm taking care of myself, being more consistent with that, being more consistent with my output of content, because again, my mission is to help more people get into tech, and I can only do that if I'm being consistent. So I know that there are a lot of people in this community that rely heavily on things that I share with you, and I want to make sure that I am being reliable. So being more consistent, and also with my coding, my personal coding habits, just making more time every day and being more consistent with that habit to keep up with coding so that I can learn and get better. Last but not least, I am really excited to share with you guys that I was admitted into a boot camp, and I will be pursuing a boot camp for the early part of 2021. And so my biggest goal this year is to be able to finish that program and move into the world of full stack software engineering. I'm really excited about it. I'm also really excited because I got a full scholarship to go to this boot camp. I will share tons of details about that in due time. So make sure that you are subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. I will be sharing regular updates on this channel about my bootcamp experiences, about how I am building better habits for myself, about my coding journey. So to wrap up this video, I wanted to share my virtual vision board with you guys. I try to make a vision board or, set some goals and make a visual for it every year because I think it's really important to be able to write your visions down, be able to see them and review them on a regular basis because it helps you to stay on track with what you are trying to do and what you're trying to accomplish. So I created a vision board on Canva. It was super easy to do. I just wrote my goals down, found some really great pictures on Pinterest and saved them to a folder in my Canva and created a collage with those pictures and quotes that I found. Then I added a few words that encapsulated what I wanted to get out of this year and some things I wanted to focus on this year. And then I added these little boxes where I was able to write in specific goals that I wanted to focus on this year. So that is it, everybody. I am so excited to take you along on this journey this year and beyond. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and go and follow me on Instagram so that you can keep up with the journey. I will be posting frequently on both platforms. So if you want to keep up with me, definitely check this out. Happy New Year, everyone. I love you. I'm rooting for you, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.